Hey there, welcome back. About a year or so ago, a buddy of mine was clearing out some brush from his yard. He gave me some small limbs for me to put on the lathe and see if I could make anything out of them. I've seen these limbs in my garage every day since then, waiting for an opportunity to do something with them. Today is that opportunity, so let's get it going. I'm going to start by removing some of this bark and just cleaning it up a little bit so we can actually see what we're working with. Got some 80 grit sandpaper on there. We'll see how it goes. I've been trying to figure out what kind of wood this is this whole time, but I have no idea. As I'm cutting it though, it smells like ash. And if you've ever smelled ash before, it's got a very distinct smell. It's rather pleasant. I'm gonna mix up some epoxy now, and I'm gonna start with this tabletop epoxy, which is a shallow pour. I can get maybe a 1/4 inch, which will get everything set in here. And then we can come back tomorrow and pour the deep stuff. And now we mix. We're gonna let that set up for 12 hours or so, and then we'll be ready to pour the deep pour epoxy.
Eventually.
I let this go overnight, so it should be fully cured now. Yes, seems to be. That's gonna set up for 72 hours or so, and then we can start with the fun stuff.
One eternity later.
Well, it's been 3 days. I haven't even peeked at this, so it might be complete garbage already. So let's check it out.
Making a bit of a mess here.
I've got some pretty major chip out here, and unfortunately there's nothing I can do about that. It's on the bottom though, and I'm not too worried about it. What I am worried about, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick them up, but these little pits here, I might be able to sand it out or maybe fill it in with some wax or whatever. But I think what I'm going to do instead is take a real light pass here and just shave it down a little bit.
Well, my extra efforts didn't make any difference at all. In fact, it might have made it worse. So I'm gonna keep sanding and see if I can fill it in with some wax, and who knows, maybe whatever finish I put on here will make them at least less visible.
I totally forgot I had this black CA glue. This seems like a perfect opportunity to use this, so let's give it a go. I think that might have helped a little bit. I'm gonna keep sanding. I'm not exactly pleased with the way this is going. I'm really quite irritated.
I've contained my rage for as long as possible, but I shall unleash my fury upon you like the crashing of 1,000 waves!
Who knows? I might be able to salvage it. I'm gonna flip it around and start carving out the inside. If that looks equally as bad, this will go right in the trash can. I've sanded this to 10,000 grit. I'm gonna throw some finish on here, and I think we're gonna call it a day.